Rich in nutrients. Supports healthy digestion. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Promotes heart health. Enhances skin and hair health. Supports brain function. Aids in weight management. Why moringa is the superfood for everyone. Oleifera, often referred to as the miracle tree or drumstick tree, has captured global attention as one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. Originating from the foothills of the Himalayas, this botanical wonder has earned its name due to its incredible versatility and unmatched health benefits. Today, it's hailed as a superfood that addresses nutritional deficiencies, boosts immunity, and supports overall well-being. Let's delve into the top reasons why moringa oleifera is considered the miracle food and explore practical ways to incorporate its powdered form into your daily routine. Here we discuss top 10 health benefits of moringa. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Moringa leaves are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They contain significant amounts of vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and iron. In fact, gram for gram, moringa has more vitamin C than oranges and more calcium than milk, making it a nutritional powerhouse. Number 2. Boosts immunity. Thanks to its high antioxidant content, moringa strengthens the immune system, helping the body ward off infections and diseases. Key compounds like quercetin and chlorogenic acid help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress. Number 3. Supports healthy digestion. Moringa is rich in fiber, which aids in digestive health and prevents constipation. Additionally, its natural antibacterial properties help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Number 4. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Research suggests that moringa may help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it a valuable supplement for individuals managing diabetes or prediabetes. Number 5. Promotes heart health. The plant's anti-inflammatory and cholesterol-lowering properties contribute to improved cardiovascular health. Regular consumption can help reduce the risk of heart diseases. Number 6. Enhances skin and hair health. Loaded with vitamins and antioxidants, moringa promotes radiant skin and strong hair. Its high vitamin E content combats aging signs and protects against environmental damage. Number 7. Supports brain function. Moringa contains compounds that enhance memory and cognitive function. Its high levels of iron and protein support oxygen transport to the brain, aiding focus and mental clarity. Number 8. Aids in weight management. Low in calories yet high in nutrients, moringa helps control appetite and supports healthy weight loss. Its fiber content also promotes a feeling of fullness. Number 9. Fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues, including arthritis and heart disease. Moringa's natural anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. Number 10. Improves energy levels. Moringa is an excellent energy booster. Its combination of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids provides sustainable energy without the crash associated with caffeine or sugar. Why moringa is the superfood for everyone. Moringa is a sustainable, eco-friendly solution to many modern health challenges. It's a boon for vegetarians, vegans, and those looking to adopt a healthier lifestyle. Beyond personal health, cultivating and consuming moringa contributes to environmental conservation and supports communities where the plant is grown. With its unparalleled benefits, moringa truly lives up to its reputation as the miracle food. Whether you're looking to improve your health, boost your energy, or enhance your diet, moringa powder is an easy and effective addition to your daily routine. So why wait? Start reaping the rewards of this superfood today.